Hi guys, I'm Duncan from Auto Shine and Tintin, and we've got 1 week to go before we wrap up 2023, and it's been a mega year, and thank you to all of you. So I thought we'd do a quick walk around, show you the renovations we've had done this year, as well as show you what's in the workshop so you can take a look for yourself. Let's go. First things first, welcome to our dramatically improved reception area. We had a nice reception area. We renovated that when we first moved in 5 years ago. It was always our intention to make it nicer when we had time, and 2023 has been that time. So we've gone really nice seating area, so it's nice and comfortable, but we've also focused on product demonstration units. So we've got the window tint in here that shows you everything with all the different shades. We've got the ceramic coating so you can see what the ceramic coatings do to your car. And then also we've got the PPF with all the different products for the aftercare and stuff like that. So you can see about the self-healing capabilities of the film, as well as extra seating area with coffee machines, drinks and all that lot. But you'll see all that when you visit us. Let's go through to the workshop. And into the workshop. So first things first, is absolutely stunning old school Mercedes E-Class. Been restored by the guys over at Individual Specialist Cars in Birmingham, who do an absolutely fantastic job. We've done full body PPF on this, so now the customer can just enjoy the vehicle for what it is and not have to worry about anything where he parks. Onto this straight away. It's our first ID Buzz we've had in PPF. As you can see, we're doing something different. So we've done the bottom half in satin PPF, leaving the top half in gloss. We're currently just painting the wheels, so they're going to be very an interesting colour. You'd never ever guess what colour they're going. We've also tinted the windows, and we've got some graphics to put on because we're going to use it to promote a brand. Well, onto the Porsches. As you can see, the spoilers give away which one is which. So GT3 full PPF on this one, which was brand new about 18 months ago. Fortunately, or luckily, it was PPF because some delightful person in a car park caught the front bumper and damaged the PPF. So we've replaced the PPF and now it's ready to go back. Here, absolutely stunning, brand new GTS 911 in black. Everything's black on this car. The wheels, the body, the interior, the calipers, everything is black, fully blacked out. Stunning car. That's had our extended front PPF package, so not the full car. The middle package is the full front and the side skirts and all the little bits that typically get done. It's the most popular package we do. I'm not gonna lie, I've gone off Supercars in the last 2 years. I don't really see the point of them with how everything's gone in the UK with the roads and the speed and everything else like that, and how busy they are. Just totally gone off them. But this car has made me change my mind. It was certainly doing a very good job. McLaren 720 is in with us, really good customer of ours. It is in for, we are fitting this Novitec carbon front body kit part. It all gets glued on basically with a really strong adhesive, so we're currently just waiting for all that to dry, and then once that's dry, we're going to PPF it. This car, it's got the Novitec exhaust. If you own a McLaren 720, you need a Novitec exhaust because that is absolutely transforming this car. It's absolutely mental. Very tempting. Right, Mercedes Sprinter motorhome, really lovely conversion in the back. It was white when it came to us, and we've done exterior wrap on it. Looks absolutely stunning in the satin grey. Suzuki Jimny, done for our local Suzuki dealership. We do a few of these, so what we do, basically they all look a bit the same, so they're quite hard to sell, I think, if they've got multiple models. So what they do, they funk some of them up. It's had a camo on it, we've wrapped the roof in black, and it's also had rear window tints. Done them before and they sell straight away, so people like cool little Suzuki Jimnys. Finally, Audi e-tron GT. We did one yesterday. What we are doing, let's go and disturb Adrian. We are wrapping the front end of it in gloss black because it's Daytona grey car, and it's got a weird grey colour here, and then it's got a silver in the grille, so they look quite bizarre. There's way too many colours going on. So what we do, we wrap them all gloss black. We will show you finishing shots of that car here. There we go, Nath. With the gloss black, absolutely transforms the car. So that's it. Thanks, just thought I'd do you a quick little walk around before the year finishes. Thank you for all your support this year. It's been amazing. I can't wait for 2024 though. Bring it on. See you in 2024, guys. Thanks for watching.